He did it and he went back in. I couldn't believe it.
Awesome.
Did it look good?
You look good. Look good.
Hey, Jack! Hey, Jack! Good boy, Jack!
That's my
Oh, Jack, honey, you've discovered a new world! Those are big steps, eh? It's probably squishy on the bottom.
He bucked her off the first time she tried.
Make him go forward. Let him have his head. Let him have his head. He needs his head. Don't think so much. Got right, and you hold that right rein, left leg. He's as honest as the day is long.
good boy, Jack. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
Ooh, Jackie.
Woo!
Look up! Be a slob! Look at the back of their head! Don't look at his fucking feet! Look up!
Go out as far as I can to see it.
You tell me. You ride him. Oh, Jesus. Tell him where you want to go. Come on, but you gotta believe. He's gotta believe you. He wasn't convinced. Well done.
He's thinking on that.
Oh God, he's so beautiful.
Don't sound so surprised, Sarah.
Good boy.
Fuck, no way. They're not gonna go.
Woo!
If you believe in yourself, he'll believe in you. If you hesitate, he's like, well, if you're not fucking suicidal, why should I be?
Yeah.
Good boy. You can do it.
Hold his breath. He's done everything she's asked him, then some. Can I tell them after that's a training joke? Yes!
Good girl. Woo!
I don't care as long as she's trotting. I'm good with just trotting.